Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And this is unexpected, a bit advanced, but this is part 13 of my coverage of Happy Lemon X Pokemon. Happy Lemon suddenly announced the Tumblers and I had no idea about them. And now they're out and we are off to get some tumblers right now. 2 tumblers to be exact. Gonna get 2 tumblers. Why is there a cat in there? And let me just get a cup or a tumbler. Hello, may tumbler daw dito.
Sorry?
Tumbler.
Tumbler? Yes, you have.
Okay, isang design lang. Okay. 2, may drinks na ba yun? Or wala pa?
Yes, sir.
I mean, okay. So guys, you choose between these 3 drinks and you get the tumbler. 295 pesos. And I think there's only 1 design. Anyway, I still only have 1 Mew Cup and I need 2 more, but tumbler comes with priority right now. We'll get 2 tumblers. We'll get 2 tumblers. I want the Mew Cup though. I'm very torn about that. I wonder if we can get a Mew Cup and a tumbler at the same time. Pwede ba? Kumuha ko ng tumbler tapos magkaka-Mew Cup din ako.
Ay, sorry.
Hindi.
You have to buy both.
Okay. What is Thunder Lemon? Anong
It's a lemon smoothie.
lemon smoothie? And Jigglypuff.
If you want our recommendation, then sige.
Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff cream. Strawberry or something?
Strawberry, yes.
Strawberry. Okay. Sige. 1 Thunder Lemon and 1 Jigglypuff cream. He's recommending Jigglypuff cream. Let's get that. So, that is...
What's your sugar level
What's...
for the drink?
Regular. Okay, good luck. Ay, Jigglypuff, kind of like 70 na lang. 70. Okay. And, okay, and the Thunder Lemon can be... Should I just get 1 tumbler or 2 though? I'm torn. Sige, dalawa na nga. The other one, 70% sugar na. Thunder Lemon. And that's my order, guys. Oh my gosh, so expensive. Oh no. I still need 2 Mew Cups. 2 Mew Cups. I don't know how I will get them. Anyway, Happy Lemon, Greenbelt 1, our main branch, our home branch. That's it. I'll order now. Guys, we got a new Gyarados Ecobag for buying 500 worth or more. My friend ordered from here though. Nag-grab daw siya, hindi niya nakuha. But anyway. So this is the new one, guys. I have the Magikarp and this one is a Gyarados. Worth 500, guys. So better pick your items. I got ignored. I'm sorry, Dora. I'm sorry. I knew you ordered from Grab. Anyway, just waiting for my drink now. And perfect. Oh, shucks. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Gyarados. Guys, that's my drink. What's it called again? Jigglypuff? Is it Jigglypuff something? So Jigglypuff something.
Well, with the other one.
Okay. Here we go. This is our Jigglypuff cream. 70% sweetness because we don't want to drown ourselves with too much sugar. I don't know how accurate this is, guys. Are there any pearls inside? Waiting for my mom's drink. And guys, we got this. We need a photo shoot. There's our lemon drink, guys. Lemon drink coming right up. Thank you. Pwede mo yung plastic na lang. Yes, thank you. And there are our 2 drinks, guys. Thank you.
Happy evening.
Thank you. Happy evening. That's a wrap. Yes, the people left their Mew Cups. I don't even have to buy 2 Mew Cups anymore. I'm so happy about that. And guys, we have our tumblers over here. Tumblers. Yes, free Mew Cups. So happy. Thank you. No. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Muna. Ay, sige. Time to take a photo shoot, guys. One man's trash is another man's treasure, guys. Thank you to the group who left their Mew Cups. And me, with my 2 tumblers and this Gyarados bag for purchasing, you know, something worth more than 500. And that's it. That's a wrap, guys. That is a wrap. This has been part 13 of my coverage of Happy Lemon X Pokemon. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends. And before I end, I think I will try this. This is the Jigglypuff Cream, guys. Jigglypuff Cream. Let's try it out. Highly recommended by the staff over there. Wear a mask all the time. All the time. Do you drink it like this? Or do you actually use a straw? We use a straw, guys. Pichu. Strawberry cream. Basically strawberry cream, guys. Pretty good. That's it. That's it. 295. Get yours at Happy Lemon. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday for EV Cups. That's it.